SS Standard 6, lesson number 80. It is a geography lesson. Lesson number 80, continent and oceans. Continents and the oceans. On the page number 145. Page number 145. Continents and the oceans. In the early class, you read that the continents are the main components of the lithosphere. We have already read the continents are the main components of the lithosphere. Lithosphere means land masses. Lithosphere means land masses. And the continents which we discuss in this class is the main components of the lithosphere, while oceans from the hydrosphere. Oceans from the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means water contains. Let us now study the interesting aspects of different continents and the ocean in this chapter. In this chapter, we discuss about the continents and the ocean as the name suggested. Continents are the largest land mass on the earth, and together they covered about 29% of the earth's surfaces. Children, please take out the pencil and underline. And you all know the four earth spheres are there. First is lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and atmosphere. Lithosphere means land masses, hydrosphere means water area, biosphere means the living thing which are living on the lithosphere or the hydrosphere. Atmosphere is the air. Atmosphere means air, environment area. Continents are the largest land masses on the earth, and together they covered about the 29% of the earth's surfaces. Please underline cover about the 29%. Cover 29%. Continents are the largest land masses on the earth, and together they cover about the 29% of the earth's surfaces. Land masses, and the 7 continents are there, and the first one is Asia. In Asia, India also lies under the Asia. Asia is the largest continent by size. It occupies approximately 1/3 of the land area of our planet. Please underline this, 1/3 of the land area of our planet. More than 90% of these continents lies in the northern hemisphere. Now you all know, you doing map work also, now you all know the northern hemisphere, northern part of the northern part. The largest point in Asia, MT full form is Mount Everest, 8,850 meter. Underline this, Asia is the Mount Everest in the Himalayas. The highest point in the Asia is the Mount Everest in Himalaya, and the height of the Mount Everest is 8,850 meter. Asia is bordered by the Pacific Ocean in the east and the Arctic Ocean in the north, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Further in the map, you can see all these things, that Asia is covered up with the bordered with the Pacific Ocean in east side Pacific Ocean, north side Arctic Ocean, and Indian Ocean in the south side. Asia's longest river is the Yangtze Kiang, which flows in the China, 6,300 kilometers. And the length of this river is 6,300 kilometers. A large part of the Russia, the world's biggest country by the size, lies in the Asia. Biggest country in the Asia, world's biggest country is Russia, and it lies in the Asia. World's biggest country. You can underline this. Please underline this. Russia, the world's biggest country by the size, lies in Asia. Now you know about the Asia. We also lies in the Asia, largest continent by size. It occupies 1/3 of the land area, and 90% of this continent lies in the northern hemisphere. The highest point is Mount Everest, and the Asia bordered by the 3 oceans, and the longest river is Yangtze Kiang, which flows in the China, and largest part of the Russia is the world's biggest country by size, lies in Asia. Now the second largest continent, we move on to the Africa. Africa is the second largest continent by its size. It is only a continent that divides almost 2 equal halves by the equator. You know the equator word now. It is a line passes through the middle in the map. Equator. Both the tropic and prime meridian passes through the river Nile. And the river Nile is the world's longest river. Underline this, river Nile, the world's longest river, which originates near the Lake Victoria, and the flows northwards and to the Mediterranean Sea, lies here. World's longest river is Nile, and it lies in the Africa, 6,650 km long. The Sahara, the world's largest desert. Underline this also, the Sahara, the world's largest desert, is located in the North Africa. It stretches from the Atlantic Ocean and west to Red Sea in the east. The Kalahari is another large desert located. Second large desert is also here. The Kalahari is the another largest desert located in the southern part of this continent. Africa's highest point is Mount Kilimanjaro. 5,895 meters, which is located in Tanzania. South Africa is very rich in gold and diamonds. Please underline this also. South Africa is very rich in gold and diamond also. And here you can see the picture of the Sahara is almost as large as Europe. The size of the continent Europe and the Sahara is almost equal to the Sahara. The Sahara is almost as large as the Europe. Africa is second largest continent, divided into 2 almost equal halves of the equator. Tropic and meridian passes through this. World's longest river, River Nile, situated here, and the Sahara Desert also situated. World's large desert situated here, and the another desert is Kalahari, and the highest point is Mount Kilimanjaro. And South Africa is very rich in gold and diamond. Very rich in the gold and diamond. Now we move on to the third continent, North America. It's North America. North America is the third largest continent in size. 3 large countries, USA, Canada and Mexico, cover the most of the continent. Continents covered by 3 large countries, almost covered by. The longest river is the Mississippi. Greenland part of the North America is the biggest island on the planet. Biggest island on the planet. Please Greenland, underline Greenland is the biggest island on the planet. The continent has a rocky and Appalachian mountains along the western and the eastern coast. respectively. The highest point in the North America is in Mount Kinley. Sorry, Mr. Mount Kinley. Mount McKinley, 6,194 meter. 6,194 meter. The highest point in the North America is Mount McKinley. Lake Superior is the biggest, please underline this, Lake Superior is the biggest freshwater lake in the world, is located in this continent. Three oceans border this continent, three oceans also border this continent, the Pacific in the west, the Atlantic in the east, and the Arctic in the north. Third largest continent, North America. The largest country, USA, Canada and Mexico cover the most of this continent. The longest river is Mississippi. Greenland is the biggest island in this planet. The continent has a rocky and Appalachian mountains along the western and eastern coast respectively. The highest point in North America is Mount McKinley, and you have to underline this also. Lake Superior, the biggest freshwater lake in the world, is located in this continent. Three oceans bordered by this continent, the Pacific in the west, the Atlantic in the east, and the Arctic in the north. You can see all these things in the map. Map is given in the page number 147. After this we follow the map also. Now we move on to the fourth one, South America. Third one is North America. And fourth one is South America. Fourth one is South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in the size. The isthmus of the Panama joins the South America and the North America. Isthmus joins the South America and North America. Underline this also. The famous Panama Canal, through it connects the Pacific and the Atlantic Ocean. The equator passes through the northern part of the equator also passes through the northern part of the continent. It lies mainly in the southern hemisphere. Whole continent lies in the southern. Southern means the down hemisphere. Middle line is equator, upper part is northern hemisphere, and the down part is called the southern hemisphere. The almost part lies in the southern hemisphere. The Andes, the world's underline these Andes, the world's longest mountain chain lies along the west coast facing the Pacific Ocean. This continent's highest point is Mount Aconcagua, 6,960 meter. 6,960 meter. The river Amazon, the world largest, also underline this. The river Amazon, the world largest river in the term of the volume of the water it carries, is situated here. It is not largest river, it is a largest river in the term of the volume capacity of the water it carries. It's situated here. Fourth most is South America. And in the South America, fourth largest continent is this isthmus of the Panama joins South America and the North America. The famous Panama Canal through the connects the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. Equator passes through the northern part of this continent. It lies mainly in the southern hemisphere, and as world largest mountain chains is also here, and the continent's highest point, Mount Aconcagua, 6,960 meter, is also situated here, and the river Amazon, the world's largest river in the term of volume of the water it carries, is situated here. Antarctic is the fifth largest continent by the size. It is circularly landmass around the South Pole. It is lies in the South Pole. There is no permanent human settlement in this region, no permanent settlement, because except the scientific research basic like Indians Parthi and the Maitri. Underline this Indians Parthi and the Maitri. The wildlife here includes the penguins, seals, whales along the coast. The highest point in the Antarctica is Vinson Massif 4897. Vinson Massif 4897. Because it is totally in the southern pole, and because of the ice, no permanent human settlement in this region except scientific research basic like Indians, Bharti and Maitri is there. The wildlife here including penguins, seal, whales along the coast, and the highest point in the Antarctica is Vinson Massif. Vinson Massif. Fifth is Antarctica. Now we move on to the Europe. It is a sixth largest continent by size, located in the northern hemisphere. Where it is located? Northern side, northern hemisphere, Europe. It stretches across the temperate and frigid zone. Both zones are there, across to temperate and the frigid zone. It's bordered by the Arctic Oceans, totally bordered by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Mediterranean Sea in the south. The Atlantic Ocean in the west and the Asia in the east. In Europe's in the west side, Asia lies. West Atlantic Oceans, and Asia lies in the east of Europe. The Ural mountain separates Europe from the Asia, and which separate Ural mountain. Please underline that Ural mountains separate Europe from the Asia. The longest river in the continent is the Danube, and the highest point is Mount Elbrus, 5,642 meters. The famous Alps mountains are located between the France and Italy. Europe is sixth largest continent, located in the northern hemisphere. In west side Atlantic Ocean lies, and in the east side Asia lies. The Ural mountains separate Europe from the Asia. Longest river in this continent is Danube, and the highest point is Mount Elbrus. And the underline this, the famous Alp mountains are located between the France and Italy. Now the seventh largest. It is the smallest continent by the size, seventh largest, All 7 continents are there. So it is the smallest continent by size. It is in an island surrounded by the Indian Oceans in the west and south. The Pacific Ocean in the east. Being situated entirely in the southern hemisphere, it is sometimes called the down under. Creatures like duck-billed platypus, koala, emu, kangaroo, kookaburra, and many more found in the Australia. The highest point in Australia is Mount Kosciuszko, 2,228 meter. The world's largest polar reef called Great Barrier Reef is located along the northeastern coast. It is the smallest continent by the size, surrounded by the Indian Ocean in the west and south and the Pacific Ocean in the east. Sometimes it is called the down under. Creatures like duckbill, platypus, koala, emu, kangaroo, kookaburra, and many more found in the Australia. Highest point of Australia is Kosciuszko, and the world's largest polar reef called the Great Barrier Reef is located along the northeastern coast. Here is the fact file. Early explorers were so surprised that emu and the kangaroo that described the Australia as a land where bird run instead of flying. Emu is a bird and instead of flying it run, and the animals hop instead of running. Kangaroo is an animal, it hopped instead of running. Please children note down this in your notebook. Look at the map in page number 147. You can see the all continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, down in the southern part, South America and North America, and Antarctic border of the map. In the border of the map, Antarctic you can see. Please look at the map carefully. Now children, it is a homework time. Write a note on any of two continents. Homework is write a note on any of two continents. Please children note down your homework. Now it is a bye bye time and we will meet in the another video. Thank you. Bye.